Well, this weather sucks. What's going on, suckers? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. So if you watched the last episode, we're working on the BSA, and I took home the airbox that we were going to try to design to make a little more functional and give it that Robbie-esque look that I'm going for on the BSA. So that's what this episode's going to be about. It's pretty crappy outside, so this may not be a start to finish, but it's going to be a prep video, or more so just like a vision video of how I want this to go. Follow along, check it out. So here is that airbox that we had showed you last video. And my intention with this airbox is to, you see this cover plate here? See the little hole right there? I was gonna drill a series of holes, maybe not like complete array down here, but maybe like 4 in each row to give this a little more function over its form. And then there's the big air breathers in the back that you see here. Now, what happens is a filter goes inside this, right? And then the tube goes from here into the carburetor on the back of the bike. So the goal is drill this out, find a filter that fits inside this air box, and then mount it, see how it looks. Now, I'm also gonna paint this in the same scheme that I've done the tank and the rear fender on this. Oh, the rear cowl, not the fender. The fender is actually that bronze. It's gonna be the frame as well. Well, the bronze may not look too bad on this. Comment below if I should go with the teal, with the drawn graphics on this, or if I should go with the bronze and go all black here in the middle with the bronze on the outside. I think that may look pretty trick too. I don't know. Maybe I'll do one way and one the other way and see which one I like. And if I just have to, then I just sand it off and paint it again. It's too easy, right? That's what I love about paint. You do what you want. It's your project. You can be creative however you want. So we're going to try to drill out some of these holes here, try to make this a little more form over function. And yeah, that's pretty much about what this video is going to be today. Short, simple, sweet. Okay, so I drilled some holes in here to give it a little more breathing room, right? So the outside of the cover actually has function here. I know this is probably also for like heat dissipation. Maybe, I'm not an engineer, but now we've got heat and air coming through. So hopefully, you know, this helps it breathe a little bit better because it is a carbureted bike. Now on to probably cleaning these up and then seeing if we want to possibly paint it. I'm thinking maybe a black inlay on this grill here and then the rest of it being the teal. Or we go black inlay with this being the bronze, and I think that would look kind of cool against the cows that butt up against it. I don't know, I'm still playing with the idea in my head. Let me know what you think. So Sierra brought up a good point, and we were kind of talking about the color scheme of this, and she's like, you should probably go black with it. And then if you want to, maybe do your bronze highlights because you're going for that rustic look. And if you do too much teal, it may be more of an eyesore than anything else. And I kind of like the idea. I kind of like it, the whole thing being black, and then like how I did the sketchy stuff on the teal tanks in the black. I just do it with the bronze pen on here and see if I can get that to look as if this is drawn with just different colors. It may work going against the frame. So it's something that I may try, and we'll see how it turns out and see if I actually like it. So we've got them all cleaned up, and I'm still undecided. Until I see it, I think I'm just gonna have to try it. But that's gonna be all for today. It's getting kind of late. We still need to sand this airbox and the cover pieces before we go ahead and try to hit them with the primer, hit them with the black, see how they look with the bronze on it. There's a little more prep to go. And if you guys are avid painters on automotive things or just painting in general, you understand that prep time is key in order for something to turn out correctly. I also looked into a couple different paint pens as well. I know the last ones I used were alcohol-based, and the 2K clear coat that I used was efficient, and it did a really good job. You guys saw the rear cowl and the tank, but some of the paint pen had deteriorated, so I wonder if I should go with more oil-based paints. Comment below if that's a better option. I'm kind of new to this whole customized paint thing. Now, I've painted things before, as you guys have seen. Well, maybe you have. I don't know if I ever posted that on the channel. It may be pre-channel. Anyway, we're still experimenting. But as always, guys, it's okay to suck. You just don't give up. Like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. Hit up RobbieSucksStore.com, and we'll see you next time. Peace.